We had a 160-acre farm, we had crops, and we had a dairy herd who were the most spoiled cows on the face of the earth. Everyone had a name. Everyone got pet when they came in. Agriculture today is so much different than when I was growing up. There are articles all over about how Iowa's cancer rate and everything. I don't mean to be someone who yells at clouds, but you're there to serve your citizens. You're there to serve your taxpayers, in theory anyway. This is a big problem for your citizens, for your taxpayers. Maybe do something about it.